Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start a new chapter named Soil. So before starting this chapter, we need to know what is it. Soil basically is loose material that cover much of the earth's surface. So here I pick some real soil so that I can show you. Here we can see this is some loose soil which contain a lot of materials, organic matter and other particles also. So this is basically a soil look like. Now we will know importance of soil. Plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Plants get nutrients from soil. People or animals can grow their food on soil. People also use soil for different purposes, for building materials, craft, etc. Now, uses of soil. We use or people use soil for agriculture purposes. We also use soil for building materials. We also use soil for art and craft. For art and craft, this is an example of this. This is a vase which is made from soil, and this is an example of craft that we can make from soil. Now, the last thing is landfills. Now, what is landfill? Landfills are areas where garbage is placed in the land. I repeat, landfills are areas where garbage is placed in the land, where most of the trash that we throw away ends up in a landfill. So, here the uses are for agriculture, building purposes, art and craft, and landfills. So now if we want to sum up the whole topic from today, that the first thing we learn about soil. What is soil? Soil is the loose material that covering much of the earth's surface, and it is a complex mixture of many organic matters and other things. Then we learn two parts of soil. One is importance and other uses. So in importance, we learn that plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Plants get nutrient from soil. Animals and people can grow soil food on soil, and we also can use soil, or soil is important for making other things like building materials, craft, etc. And then we learn about the uses of soil. That first is agriculture, that we all know. Soil is very useful for agriculture. We also soil for building materials or building purpose, making houses. Then art and craft, and last one is landfills. So this is all. I hope this will help you to learn this topic. Thank you so much.